welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my new series, Liv's Holiday Menu. This is the second video in the series. We started last week with my garlic parmesan mashed potatoes, and I'm so glad you guys are excited about this series. Basically, if you didn't tune in last week, every week from now until Christmas, so until December 17th, I will be posting a brand new recipe that you can use to create the perfect vegan holiday menu. Like I said in that video, the recipes are not in any particular order. I'm just kind of spacing them out. We're going to be covering sides, mains, desserts, obviously, appetizers, some cocktails, some coffee. So today we are doing a main. And I just wanted to note that this series is meant to be simple recipes that will never fail you and that you can actually make the day of or even the day before if you want. But I know a lot of holiday vegan recipes, especially for like vegan roasts and vegan turkey, they're very labor intensive. They take a lot of work, they take a lot of time and advanced planning. This is not that. This is going to be something that you actually could make like the afternoon of if you wanted to. It's really delicious. So I'm so excited. I really hope you guys are excited too. What we're making is a puff pastry wrapped lentil and mushroom roast type of thing. So it's going to be sliceable. You can have like cranberry sauce with it or gravy, whatever you want, and it's just going to be so tasty. I have all the videos saved to a playlist on my channel and all the links you need will be below. So that is everything I have to say for now. Let's get into it. Okay, starting off, into a frying pan, you want to add your oil and some fennel seeds, and then you can add in the onion and garlic. And the fennel just gives it a really nice kind of almost like sausagey flavor, which I personally like, but if you don't like fennel, you can leave it out. And then of course you want to add in your thyme and your sage and some salt and pepper. Those are kind of like the holiday herbs that make everything taste like the holidays. And then you can add in your mushrooms, a little drizzle of soy sauce just for that kind of nice like umami flavor. And then you can add in the lentils, and you want to cook that for about 5 minutes until everything is nice and soft. And then you can add that to your mixing bowl, and you just want to take a potato masher and mash it up so that the mushrooms aren't too huge, and you don't want it to be like a smooth paste or anything. You just want to break it up a little bit, and then you can add in the Vital wheat gluten. And then you're going to add in your broth. I use these vegan beef flavored broth cubes that you just mix with hot water, and mix that all up until it is all combined and there's no more dry ingredients hiding at the bottom. So then you want to take your puff pastry. This is the one I use. It is vegan, and you just want to roll it out. Obviously it needs to be thawed, so I thawed this on the counter until it was not frozen anymore. And then you just want to roll it out into a nice big rectangle and put it on a sheet pan. Then you can add the filling mixture to the center in a log shape and just shape it to fit your puff pastry. You can kind of do whatever shape you like, and then you just want to roll and wrap the puff pastry over top and seal it so that it doesn't like explode out of the seams basically. So once that's done, you can just cut some little slits to let the steam escape. And then this is optional, but I just brushed the top with a little bit of oil so that it got nice and golden brown, but you definitely don't have to do this. It's just kind of like a little extra step if you want. And then you just want to bake it until it is nice and golden brown. And then once I took it out of the oven, I just put some fresh thyme on top, mostly for looks, but also just to kind of like infuse that flavor and smell that just makes your kitchen smell so good. And it's such a pretty herb. I absolutely love the look of thyme. So yeah, then you're done. So you can slice it, you can serve it with gravy or cranberry sauce or whatever kind of sauce you like. It is absolutely delicious, and Hazel was hovering. She really wanted some. She's never too far away when I film these videos, so I really hope you guys enjoy this one. Okay, so like I said, you could serve this with gravy, you could serve it with cranberry sauce, kind of whatever is your preference is what you should do. I just haven't found a gravy recipe that I am like super happy with quite yet for this, so I'm gonna keep trying. Oh my gosh, the texture is beautiful. It really is the perfect mix of the crispy, super flaky, kind of just like buttery golden brown texture of the puff pastry, and then the inside, it's definitely softer, but it's like a really nice mix of textures, like your lentils and your mushroom. It's super flavorful, it's herby, it's savory, it's honestly amazing. And yes, I definitely see cranberry sauce and gravy going really well. But I mean, you can see the texture of the inside. It's delicious. Oh, so good. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this episode of Liv's Holiday Menu. Let me know if you have any questions below, and if you are enjoying this series, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out my blog, it's livb.com, and my 2 cookbooks for tons more vegan recipes. But that is everything for me today, so I will see you guys next week. Bye!